So how do we actually fix our Razer Barracuda X not connecting? Well, there's actually three ways to fix it. The first way is to charge it and see if low battery is the reason. So if you have charged it and it still isn't working for you, well, the second step you can try to be able to fix it is to reset the headset. And that, to be able to reset it, we need to click on the power button here, click and hold. You will see a green light firstly and then a blue light, but then wait until you can see a purple light instead. You can see here purple light and then red light. Now it's reset. So try once again and repair it and see if that will fix it. If that still isn't working for you, well then what you have to do is to use the dongle, because you should have gotten this dongle when you actually purchased the headset, and you can just insert the dongle into your PC or laptop and then you should be able to connect it easily after that. But you can see now, if I click on the power button, you can see I get the green light and then it's gonna go like really fast, which means that it's now in pairing mode. So now I'm just gonna go into settings, click on Bluetooth and device, click on add device and click on Bluetooth here. And you can see Razer Barracuda X is right here. So I can just click on it and now it connects without any problems. So that is basically exactly how I was able to fix it myself.